Hey there, thanks for watching this video. This is for the LGS theme tutorial video. This is the first one. And we got two different themes. This is what the LGS theme looks like. This is one version of it anyway. And you can check all that out. And then we also have the LGS opt-in theme, which looks a little bit different. It's more geared towards one specific opt-in thing, where this one has a little bit more information, kind of warms up to the market a little bit or to the visitor a little bit more. And so what we're going to do is go over, where I'm going to break this up into two videos, maybe more if we need to. But the first two are going to be, or the first one's going to be about the import section of it, of how to get the niche theme that you invested in installed into your site, okay? And then the other video that I'll make is going to show you how to customize all the details of your theme, to kind of make it your own, make it your clients, so user color schemes, those type of things. If you want to change headlines or whatever, that sort of thing. And the first thing you need to do is obviously upload and install the theme like you would normally. If you don't know how to do that, just Google install WordPress theme, and it'll take you literally 2 minutes to figure it out. But you go to Appearance Themes, upload it, boom, activate it, and you'll come here to where it says LGS Options. Okay, come here, and then you just click on the Import Export area, and then so you'll see that there's two main sections here. One is where, for the people that have invested in all of our sites, you can see the big huge list of all of the niches there, and actually it even runs off of the screen there. And we'll go back to that one, but the first one I want to talk about is to import an individual site. So let's say, for example, you invested in one single niche theme and you wanted to install that. Okay, so then what you do is you open up these folders that are called JSON folders, .json, okay? And let's just say, for argument's sakes, you want to do the handyman. That's what you invested in. And so you just basically double click that, and it'll look something like this, just a bunch of garbage. Make sure you don't change anything or touch anything, but all you got to do is go into the edit, select all, then you can right click and hit copy. Then you go over here and go import from computer. It opens up this box. You right click and paste and click import. And then what happens is it does its thing and it says settings imported. So then you go there, just hit refresh, and you will see that, hey, the handyman one is done. Handyman video, all this handyman information. Okay, easy enough. That's it. That's all you got to do, and boom, it's done. And again, you'll watch the next video to see how to customize everything. All right, but now let's say that you were one of the people that have invested in all of our niches, because you have a lot of online clients, different local customers that you can help, that you want to grow and scale your lead generation business, and so you invested in that because it is only smart to do that. So anyway, so let's choose one. Let's say computer repair, and what you need to do is enter the access code that we have given you. You choose computer repair, enter the access code, hit import, you hit OK, and then Google Chrome, and I don't know if all of the other sites or browsers do this, but Google Chrome does. And what you want to do is you want to hit leave. Don't hit stay, hit leave, and then what that does is basically just refreshes everything and gets these settings imported, as you will see there. And then what you do is you go here, hit refresh, then you'll see computer repair video, scroll down, computer repair, the ebook cover, all of the information about computer repair. So there you go. So it's literally as simple as that. So let's say I just want to show you one more sample. Let's choose chiropractor, enter the code, hit import, OK, hit leave, settings imported. Now you can go back over here, click chiropractor, and there you go. It's all there. So you can see how easy that is. It just happens like super fast. So this is awesome as far as being able to do this stuff quickly and easily, and I don't know how much easier it could possibly get. So that's it for this video. This is how to import your theme that you invest in. And actually, the other thing too that I guess haven't talked about is the export option. So what you can do is you can customize this, which I'll show you in the next video. But you can customize all this and design it the way that you want to, and make it look exactly the way you want to. And then you'll actually be able to download it, and then you'll have your own JSON file that you can install on other sites or whatever, because it'll be yours that you've created with this LGS theme. That you're able to do that. We give you the rights to do that, so that's kind of cool too. And if you create cool ones in markets that we're not in, let us know, and then we'll take it off your hands and let our other customers benefit from it too. So that's it for this video. Thanks for watching.